Okay, I'm gonna need some many seeds as I can. I'll give you seeds. Then a million seeds. I'll give you a million seeds, bro. I'll give you a billion, jillion, magillion seeds. Also, Pandy, how are you doing? Wow, you got a bluebird? Man, that's nice. I will team that parrot and the bluebird. Also, the bluebird from Naruto, that name, the song name thingy, the bluebird that goes like a bochichi, brown down, do 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 do. Okay, Discord is having like Bitcoins in my server. That server. Yeah, now bluebird. Okay, now okay, I said actually at the previous video I said well, we need to go feed the parrot guy. Okay, parrot guy. Get it. Okay, now parrot guy. Okay, nice. We tame him. Yeah. Oh my, what the heck? Where the heck is panda? Parrot? What the? That's weird. Oh yeah. You're here. You're here now. Come here. Well, come here. Birdie, come here. Okay, sit. Stand. Come here now. Do you want to go and marry? I think I need some more seeds. Okay, Birdie, you can come here and go to Bluebird. That one Bluebird. Okay, now let's go to Bluebird. Yeah, you Bluebird. Okay, now stand here. Okay, now you can fly, right? So you can fly over the fence. Yeah, you can climb over the fence. Okay, come here, Birdie. Come down. Okay. So, what the heck? Where the heck are you, Parrot? Parrot. That one parrot. Okay, they can follow me, right? So I'm just Bluebird. Welcome to your new house in the Bluebird, Parrot. Where are you? Okay. So Bluebird. What the heck? Okay, you stay here, Bluebird. You stay. Sit. Just sit there. Just sit. Okay, now where the heck is that red bird? Yo, what? Yo, Parrot. I don't know where the heck is Parrot. Yeah, I can't. Parrot's gone. So we should go meet some Pandy guy. Pandy. Yo, Pandy, how's it been going? So since your bamboo feeder is on. Yep. Okay, you wanna go? They can have this and yeah, that's very awesome and so many bamboo that you ate. So many bamboo. Redbird? Parrot? Okay, I think it's what do you eat? So you can eat this? Okay, don't think. Stay there. You eat beans? This cocoa beans? Well, I don't know. He likes cake, right? Leo, you're here. Sit there. Sit. 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 Okay. Let's go there when you fly and glide. Okay, so stand up. Okay, so you know that you are this guy and this guy. So you are here. So when you're here, hey, why do you do that? Okay, never mind. You just sit there. Okay, now we need to go to the bandy guy. So bandy, okay. Since yeah, bandy's on Groovies. Yeah, he's on Groovies. I'm just gonna get some cocoa beans. Oh no, cocoa beans. Cocoa beans. Let's go, cocoa beans. Okay, so cocoa beans. Yes, finally, cocoa beans. Oh, we got some cocoa beans. We have 5 of cocoa beans now. I don't know how to use cocoa beans, but I don't know. Oh my god, I spotted